How to create a bibliography in Google Docs. First of all, open your Google Docs document where you want to add a bibliography. To create an automatic updating bibliography, you will need to install the Citation Bibliography add-on. Go to the extension menu, select add-ons and click Get add-ons. Search for Citation Bibliography, then click Install. Follow the prompts to authorize the add-on by selecting your account and allowing permissions. Once installed, return to your document. Open the extensions menu again, click Citation Bibliography and select Manage Citations. You can now start adding citations from different sources. For example, add a book citation by typing the book title and author, select the correct source, and add it to your bibliography. Citation also supports journal articles and websites. Just enter the relevant details or URLs, select your source, and add it. You can switch citation styles easily, such as from MLA to APA, depending on your needs. Then, click on Add Bibliography to the doc. The bibliography will update and arrange all your sources alphabetically without any manual effort. This add-on is especially helpful for students, researchers, and writers who want to keep their citation organized and properly formatted as they work. And that's it. Now you know how to create an automatic bibliography in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.